Chapter 3 Roadway 3.1 Roadway Inspection. The roadway shall be inspected. The following defects: ballast, subgrade, pumping, erosion of the embankments, cutting slopes, embankments, sliding and slippage, and potential slope stability problems. Settlement of the approaches to the bridge end to wash out under the track. Any of these presents remedial action is required at the time frame necessary to prevent the damage from the track structure. Hazardous conditions. Any condition present in the hazardous safe movement of the train shall be corrected prior to the first move over the location. 3.2 The drainage. Well-drained roadbed is essential for the good track maintenance. Any attempts to divert the water over the roadbed or obstruct the ditches, drainage structures shall be reported immediately to the Department of Engineering and Housing and the basic civil engineering. Drainage ditches and other open drainage structures shall be protected to prevent the hazard to personnel. Size and designs. Ditches and other drainage structures as culverts, drains, drop inlets should be sufficient size construction and handling to expected flow of the water in accordance with TM 5820 4 and AF 88-5 Chapter 4. Obstructions. The ditches and drainage structures are maintained to allow free passage water to allow locations water that obstructed. Otherwise inadequate remedial action is required during the construction operation adjacent with the tracks and structures. All ditches, other drainage and structures shall be kept unobstructed. D. The inspection cleaning of the drainage structures shall be performed at least annually. Inspection of ditches, other drainage during any heavy rains recommended to ensure that these structures are adequate to carry off the runoff. In the drainage ditches and structures shall inspect the presence of the brush, drift, excessive ice and snow due to other obstructions would interfere with the flow of water, and if any of the present immediate remedial actions is required to prevent the damage of the roadway track structure. Particular attention shall be given to the drain conditions and turnoffs, road crossings, bridge ends, all locations where the condition may be restricted to adequate drainage. Vegetation shall be controlled so that it does not grow within the ballast section of the obstruction ballast drainage, interfere with the adequate visibility of the grade crossing, obstructly visibility of the location markers, switch position indicator signs and signals, obstruct drains, to interfere with the safe operation of trains, prevent proper track inspection, present fire hazard to the timber structures, interfere with personnel walking within the 8 feet of the track center, brush the sides of the rolling stock, vegetation interference at all locations, vegetation interference with effective inspection of the track. Train operation shall not exceed 10 miles per hour with the vegetation removed through the track. Inspection will be performed. All locations of vegetation interfere with the track operations shall not exceed 5 miles an hour until the vegetation is removed. An additional track inspection to perform. The vegetation control. Undesirable vegetation growing on the roadway shall be removed with chemical or manually means. The Army tactical chemical vegetation control shall be accomplished by prescribed AR 420 76 TM 562-9 and TM 5630. Air Force track chemical vegetation control shall be accomplished by the AFR 9121 and AFM 9119. Desired vegetation may be planted, grown in slope cuts, fills, and other locations on the roadway to prevent erosion from the growth of desired vegetation should be controlled to meet the requirements of paragraph 3.3a. Chapter 4 Ballast.